When you receive your product, you will notice that it contains everything you need for proper installation right inside the box. Instructions, heavy-duty automotive straps, packed nicely, and your vacuum-sealed Flowtron. Before you get started, ensure your vehicle is freshly serviced, including spark plugs, oil, and the various other filters. Check your tire pressure, making sure it's correct based on the manufacturer's requirements. Install the Flowtron on the fuel line centered with the engine. Use the 2 automotive tie wraps included to properly secure the Flowtron on the fuel line. The Flowtron cannot get that hot, so place it appropriately within the engine. If you do not know where the fuel line is, you can install it on another hose that is centered with the engine, away from extreme heat. For many people using the Flowtron, the difference in fuel consumption is noticed immediately. Some people may find that they need to drive through several tanks of fuel with the Flowtron installed before any increased efficiencies take place. This depends on the starting position of your vehicle. So drive through a couple tanks and then perform your test. The obvious test is you will start spending less money in fuel. And if you have consistent driving habits, this will be very easy to determine.